This is the Alphaburly Pro from LaCrosse, the original rubber over neoprene hunting boot, available with and without Thinsulate Ultra insulation. We've added 3 layers of rubber in the toe and the heel. That's more durability for 2 of the most high-stressed areas of a hunting boot. Because the top of your boot is constantly flexing when you walk, for more durability, we've added 2 layers of premium rubber to the top of its flexible neoprene. Our Active Fit design features a more athletic and glove-like feel in a boot. Its neoprene core adds foot-hugging cushion all around, as well as added flexibility to slide the boot on and off more easily. The Alphaburly Pro uses 2 different outsoles, while the insulated boot's tread is designed for colder weather to provide stable footing specific to ice and snow. Both designs provide excellent traction and are self-cleaning, so you can take on the outdoors without taking pounds of it with you. Our signature gusset brings best-in-class versatility with a flip of a clip. Feeling too warm? Loosen the gusset and roll the boot down. That's the Alphaburly Pro, available in both men's and women's styles. In the Alphaburly Pro, you can tread lightly and hunt comfortably. LaCrosse boots, done right since 1897.